Hi, my Crunchified Clean friend. This is how I make my Thieves Concentrated Cleaner a disinfectant. On its own, Thieves Cleaner is not a disinfectant, so I add a disinfectant to my bottle. I add a ratio of half hydrogen peroxide and half water. I like to add the peroxide in first, and then the water, and then the Thieves Concentrated Cleaner. If you add the Thieves Concentrated Cleaner in first and then the water, it will bubble up and you don't want to lose your liquid gold. So put the Thieves Concentrated Cleaner in last. You can add essential oils to it if you want to play around with the scent. Peppermint is a really nice one to add to Thieves Cleaner. Citrus fresh, orange, eucalyptus, tea tree, whatever suits your nose. You don't have to because the Thieves Concentrated Cleaner already has a nice scent, so it's all up to you. This is a 17-ounce bottle, so I did 8 ounces of water, 8 ounces of 3% hydrogen peroxide. I am a distributor. I'll put my link down below. Let me know if you want to grab the bottle of Thieves Cleaner. It is a concentrate, so a little bit goes a long way, and the cost ends up being under 40 cents a bottle when you use the concentrate. It is amazing. You can get so much cleaning use out of the Thieves Cleaner and the disinfecting power of hydrogen peroxide, and it's a powerhouse cleaner that I love to use at home and for my cleaning business. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. If you can like and subscribe, make sure your YouTube notifications are on for when I post more eco-oily cleaning tips and tricks. I would really love it. YouTube, TikTok, Clapper, Instagram, my Facebook, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.